welcome back to another episode of MK's Kitchen. Today we are making pineapple no upside down cake. Most of y'all used to upside down, the upside down version, but today we're not doing that. We're doing the no upside down. So we already have our oven preheated to 350 degrees. We've already sprayed our baking pan with Pam. So y'all, let's get into today's recipe. So first, we're going to take about 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and we're going to sift that throughout our sifter. Just keep sifting, just keep sifting. All right, y'all, and then we are going to take about 2 cups of sugar. You can sift or not sift, it doesn't matter with sugar because it's very fine. I'm just gonna give that a little shake. And next we are going to take 2 teaspoons of baking soda. All right, y'all, and give that a nice little whisk and get that well combined with each other for our dry ingredients. We're going to take a spatula and create a little pocket, little hole to put our wet ingredients in. That way we don't have to mess up any more bowls. We could just do it all in one. So we're going to take 2 large eggs. Then we are going to take about a capful of our vanilla flavor. And then we're going to take our crushed pineapples. And we're going to save just a little bit of our crushed pineapples for our cream cheese frosting. So don't use all of the crushed pineapples. Just save a little bit, just a little bit. All right, about that much will do to save for later. And we're going to mix this all together. You can also use a hand mixer if you like. It's just easier way. And just keep on mixing until you get this consistency, nice and thick and light. And this is what it should look like, y'all. So let's go ahead and pour that into our sprayed baking dish. Go ahead and get all that pineapple goodness out of that bowl. Go ahead and get every little drop, y'all, because this is a good recipe, I promise you. You're gonna keep on eating it. Let's spread that out evenly as much as you can. And we're gonna place that into our oven for about 30 to 40 minutes or until it's brown on top. So y'all, this little sneak peek of while it's baking in the oven, what it's looking like. She's so pretty. So y'all, it's been about 35 minutes and it's nice and golden brown. So beautiful. So beautiful. So while it's cooling off, let's get to our cream cheese frosting. So we're going to take 1 block of cream cheese, 1 stick of salted or unsalted butter. We're just going to mix those 2 together. All right, y'all, once that's nice and combined with each other, we are going to add our crushed pineapples, the rest from earlier that we saved. And we're going to take some of these cherries. I've already chopped them up. I just want those little bite-sized pieces. We're going to take a little bit of our vanilla flavor, about a cap size. Then we're just going to mix those and fold it in together with each other before we use the hand mixer. And slowly add in your powdered sugar. We have about 2 cups, so we're just going to take a little bit at a time and mix those all together. Go ahead and add in some more. And go ahead and add the rest of that powdered sugar and just keep mixing. And it should look something like this. Nice and creamy cream cheese frosting. Y'all know I love some cream cheese. If you watch my channel, cream cheese, cream cheese, cream cheese. And this is so pretty. So y'all, let's get ready to layer our cream cheese frosting on our pineapple cake. But first, go ahead and poke some holes in it because we're going to drizzle some caramel on top of this. And that caramel is going to seep through those little holes that we're poking in our cake with our fork. And that way you have a good caramelized bite in every piece. So get your caramel. Let's get to drizzling. Not too much, y'all, because this cake is going to be super sweet. So if you're on a diet, you might want to close your eyes. So let's go ahead and top it off with our cream cheese frosting. You want to go ahead and spread that out as evenly as you can. We want to make sure all of that cream cheese frosting gets in every little crevice. Just like this, y'all. Just like this. Ooh, it looks so good. All right, y'all. So we're also going to top this off with some chopped pecans. You can use it as little or as many as you want to. Just gives a little extra crunch. And we're also going to be taking just a little bit of that brown sugar. I'm going to top just a little bit. And this is what I mean by pineapple no upside down cake. Because usually, you know, everything has brown sugar and such. But we're doing this without having to flip the cake. All right, y'all. So that's pretty much it for our topping. Let's go ahead and slice this bad boy and see what's in here. Ooh, y'all, look at this pineapple no upside down cake. Y'all get in here. Look how moist it is, how pretty it is. Woo, I already know I'm probably going to eat most of the pan by myself. But y'all, this is a super simple recipe that you could just see, you know, what we got going on, y'all. This is the perfect dessert, especially with spring and summertime around the corner. You could take this to your little cookouts. Promise you everyone's going to love it. So y'all, this is another episode of MK's Kitchen. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys next time. Bye.